Welcome to Gatkudu's study channel. In this video we are going to learn current affairs for the month of January 2025, which can be used for competitive exams. Which organization has been recertified as a Great Place to Work for January 2025 to January 2026? Answer. SAIL, Steel Authority of India Limited. What has the Defence Ministry designated 2025 as? Answer. Year of Reforms. In which city has Blinkit launched its 10-minute ambulance service? Answer. Gurugram. In which state was the Mahabharat Vatika set up for plant conservation? Answer. Uttarakhand. On which date will the first Lokpal Day be celebrated in 2025? Answer. January 16, 2025. Scheduled at Zorawar Auditorium, Delhi Cant. Which country has recently launched the CR450 prototype, the world's fastest high-speed train? Answer. China. Which state won the Senior National Men's Handball Championship 2024 title? Answer. Kerala. Which traditional Bosnian song was included in UNESCO's National Inventory of Intangible Cultural Heritage recently? Answer. Savdalinka. Which city is the host of the Pravasi Bhartiya Divas Convention 2025? Answer. Bhubaneswar. Which city is the host of the 15th Aero India Event 2025? Answer. Bengaluru. Which city has become home to India's first green hydrogen hub under the National Green Hydrogen Mission? Answer. Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. The Maa Ki Rasoi initiative is launched by which state government recently? Answer. Uttar Pradesh. The Parshuram Kund Mela has organized in which state recently? Answer. Arunachal Pradesh. Which organization has published the Prospects for Children in 2025, Building Resilient Systems for Children's Futures report? Answer. United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF. The Solar Mobile Van Training Units has been launched in which city recently? Answer. New Delhi. Which state is the host of International Millets Festival 2025? Answer. Karnataka. Which state UT has topped in Khelo India Winter Games, KIWG, 2025? Answer. Ladakh. Which country's Meerkat telescope has discovered a new giant radio galaxy named Inkathazo? Answer. South Africa. Which two Indian cities recently joined the list of accredited wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention? Answer. Indore and Udaipur. Which Indian state has expanded the Raitu Bharosa scheme to provide 7,500 rupees per acre to farmers starting January 2025? Answer. Telangana. Which bank is merging with National Cooperative Bank is approved by the RBI? Answer. Cosmos Cooperative Bank, Maharashtra. What is India's rank in terms of the largest metro network in the world after achieving over 1,000 kilometers of metro coverage? Answer. Third. Which state is hosting the 38th National Games for the first time in 2025? Answer. Uttarakhand. Which bank received RBI approval to acquire up to a 9.5% stake in Kotak Mahindra Bank? Answer. HDFC Bank. Which Regional Rapid Transit System, RRTS, corridor did the Prime Minister inaugurate a 13-kilometer stretch of in January 2025? Answer. Delhi Meerut. Which city became the headquarters of the 69th Division under the Northern Railway Zone? Answer. Jammu. Which country's president has been invited as the chief guest for India's 2025 Republic Day Parade? Answer. Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto. Who has been appointed as the chief financial officer of Signature Global, effective January 7, 2025? Answer. Sanjeev Kumar Sharma. In which state did the first U.S. human death from H5N1 bird flu occur in 2025? Answer. Louisiana. Which state launched the Ganotsav 2025 Education Evaluation Program aimed at assessing 14.11 lakh students? Answer. Assam. Which organization achieved an excellent rating for the third consecutive year in MAU Performance for Free 2023-24? Answer. IREDA, Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency. On which date is PM Modi set to launch the first Delhi-Srinagar train service? January 26. Which state renamed its Public Administration Institute after Dr. Manmohan Singh? Himachal Pradesh. Which state's police force launched a QR code-based citizen feedback system to enhance transparency and accountability? Answer: Telangana. Which institution was declared the national winner in the 34th National Youth Parliament competition for Kendriya Vidyalayas? Answer: IIT Kharagpur. Which country launched its first Hindi certificate course via open and distance learning in collaboration with India? Answer: Sri Lanka. Where was Akashvani's Kumbhwani channel launched by Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath for Mahakumbh 2025? Answer: Prayagraj. What is the export target set by India for the food and beverage, agriculture, and marine sectors within 5 years? Answer: $100 billion. Who has been appointed as the new BCCI secretary? Answer: Devajit Sakia. What is DRDO's HIMKAVACH system designed for? Answer: cold weather clothing. In which city has the Mahakumbh 2025 commenced? Answer: Prayagraj. Where will the 85th All India Presiding Officers Conference, AIPOC, be held in 2025? Answer: Patna. In which state is the Gaan Nagai festival, celebrated by the Zeliangrong community, held? Answer: Manipur. Which country is India nearing a $450 million BrahMos missile deal with? Answer: Indonesia. When will the Indian Army conduct exercise, Devil Strike? Answer: January 16 to 19. Who has been sworn in as the 25th Governor of Mizoram? Answer: VK Singh. Which institution is collaborating with C-DOT to develop an indigenous 6G optical chipset? Answer: IIT Bombay. Where did the National Science Drama Festival 2024-25 commence on the 18th of January 2025? Answer: New Delhi. Which country signed an MoU with India to enhance cooperation on cybersecurity? Answer: United States. Which Indian state's postal department is introducing artificial intelligence in its services? Answer: Bihar. Which state is set to become the first in India to implement the Uniform Civil Code, UCC? Uttarakhand. Thank you for watching. For more videos, like, share and subscribe Gitkudu's study channel.